Well, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the electronic speedometer of a Honda Civic 1.8 liter petrol i-VTEC 2008. This is the speedometer there, and it's not working as it has to do. It's showing sometimes, especially after like maybe 15 minutes of driving, it's showing like 888, or sometimes it just shows all the numbers. And this problem is because of the speedometer itself here. It's not because of the sensor on the transmission or something like this. When working on electricity on a car, it's better to not to have the key inside, and I mean not here, and to disconnect the battery. First of all, we remove this cover, and it's just pop it up. It's held by 1, 2, 3 clips, so they will go like this, a bit to the back at the same time, not only up. So you can maybe start lifting from here, like from here first, and then pull it like that when it's a bit not straight. This is how it looks from above. This part here has also to be removed, and to remove it you can start by this clip here. Just pop this up, and you can go the whole way, this one and this one. Then you have one here and one here on the corners. You can leave them. Here you will have a bit more access to these two inside, 1 and 2, and they will be sitting on those plastic things. So you can insert like a screwdriver between this corner here and this surface, and turn the screwdriver a bit, and it will push this up. The same with the other one, and then it will become easier for this to be removed and for this one. And then slowly you can take it out, so you are sure that everything is out. After removing this part here, the speedometer will be a bit free. You can see there the corner of that part here. So the speedometer is held by 3 clips, and you just pull it to the up and back at the same time, and it will go out. So here, 1, 2, 3. They are a bit like this. So, and the cable is a bit short, so when you are pulling it, don't cut the cable. It looks like this, and it sits like this. So you will feel this button here, you push it and you pull it back carefully. So I installed back everything. I put the connection behind the speedometer, and then the speedometer, and then the 2 screws to this screen here, because I removed them. It can make removing this part easier. And I put this, and then the upper cover. I drove the car, and the speedometer is working now normally without any problems.